How to reset or recover your Hotmail or Outlook account password. So if you want to reset or recover your Hotmail account password, then first you need to open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for Hotmail or Outlook. It's the same thing. So you can simply go for Outlook login, which is on the first search, and now click on sign in, which will be on the upper right. And now you need to enter your email on the first blank and then click on next. And here, if you want to reset or recover your password, then go for forgot password. And from here, you need to choose your email address and then click on get code. And here you will enter the code. So open up your Gmail account, which you have just entered, so that you will get the code there. And here you will have your code, right? So copy this code and paste it here. And then click on next. And from here, you can reset your password of your Outlook or Hotmail. So enter your new password on the first blank and then enter your new password again. You need to re-enter it. And after entering your new passwords twice, you can click on next, which is on the bottom right, and your account will be, and your password will be reset. So that's it. That's how you reset or recover your Outlook or Hotmail account password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.